يتوقف على ثبوت الماهية. It's good to mention this point. Sometimes people think traditional studies, education in Hawzah is very slow. Because you spend 15, 20 years just to become a reasonable scholar. If you want to become an outstanding scholar, 30 years, 40 years. Yeah? So just, 3, 4 years for us is to warm up. So some people say, why you are so slow? Today the world is very fast. 2 years, 3 years, graduate come to the market. Yeah, the universities, even they are shortening the programs. So they say, why Hawzah is so slow? The answer is, we prefer to learn less but make less mistakes than rushing and getting lots of information but not being able to process them and have lots of confusions and mistakes. Yeah? We prefer to make a building that lasts for centuries, not to make quickly a tower that after few questions and challenges, your tower will collapse. Some people quickly make a tower and then start showing, that they know about everything. But this is void, because not built from the foundations. Okay? So the big difference between, for example, when an alim gives a lecture, or someone reads the lecture of an alim and then gives the same lecture. Maybe you think this person actually is better. Yeah? Sometimes the people who just teach themselves or, listen to a lecture and then give lectures, sometimes they are even better. Why? Because they only have focus on presentation. Yeah? Imagine you make lots of efforts to make a food. But someone buys food from the market and just makes some salad and makes the dress very beautiful. Say, oh, mashallah, she's better. Not knowing that she has purchased from the restaurant. Yeah? And then you see, you have problem in digestion. So some people take prepared and ready-made lectures and give to people. It looks nice because they have just put energy on presentation. But an alim who is developing and cooking is different. You never, if you are a rational community, we never replace maybe a little bit boring or dry lecture of an alim with, exciting presentation of a person who is not alim. If you are a rational community. You never replace that. So, now, ثبوت